This lesson's called Dance Away. It's for grades 3 through 5. At first, the teacher will be teaching an 8 count dance in front of the whole class. So, an example of an 8 count dance can be step to the left, 1 count, step to the right, 2 count, step forward, 3, step backwards, 4 count, slide to the left, 5 count, slide to the right, 6 count, hop forward, 7 count, and hop back, 8 count. That's just one example of an 8 count. Any of these you could come up with yourself as a teacher and just demonstrate to your students, since it is grade level 3 through 5. And what you can do is have your students create their own 24 to 32 count dance in groups. And depending on your grade level, you probably could do just a 16 count dance, putting a few students together to the closer to the 5th grade level wise. They probably would be able to create a 24 count dance pretty easily. And if you're closer to 3rd grade, just have them do a 16 count or maybe just even an 8 count. And what you'll do is you'll have each student in the group, so you can put them in groups of 3 to 4, depending on how many students you have. Have each student create their own 8 count and come up with their own 8 count dance, which will create anywhere from a 24 to 32. Let the students pick their most favorite appropriate song. So if you have a bunch of 5th graders, you need a song that's going to be appropriate to them. Make sure you go over the song before it's played over your speaker. And then at the end of the class, you can let each student perform the dance out in front of each other. Or you could also let students, 2 groups go at once, to kind of have a dance battle in this lesson. Management-wise, have students sit out in front of you when explaining directions for this. Make sure all students have eyes on you when explaining. Due to dancing it's a difficult lesson, so you need to make sure they can follow all directions when doing this, and they can understand what an 8 count dance actually is. And keep age-appropriate music when doing this. Make sure you go over the music before students suggest anything. And make sure the students are knowing what they're going to play and that it will apply to their song and dance.